Star Wars Battlefront 2.
Captain, she's highly trained. Deception, infiltration, extraction. She's special forces.
Iden Versio. Inferno Squad. Commander Versio. You must be important. Look at me. So let's talk facts. That's what I'm here for. You have the activation code. I've got the ability to help you out. Just give me the code. You know we can really use someone like you. Just help me and I'll help you. It's that easy. I'm gonna get what I want eventually. My best technicians are slicing into your droid right now. Take on my offer. All I want is the code. The Empire's time has come. You don't have to go down with it.
You're right. The Empire's time has come. VZ-626. VZ-626.
What have we here? An ID-10 tactical droid. You're way more advanced than the ID-9. Slicing into you is not going to be easy.
Might I suggest a less invasive procedure?
Wish I could, but we don't have the droid's access code.
Might I suggest finding the access code?
The captain's working on that in the detention center. Until then, the only way to access this droid's data is to pry the memory core out of its shell.
Analysis shows this ID-10 has been modified with an electroshock prong.
Which can't do anything if the droid is deactivated. Until it hears the access code, this ID-10 can't do a thing.
Might I suggest...
Please, just let me work in peace.
Understood. I shall remain silent until you have finished defacing that ID-10 tactical unit. Sir, it appears the ID-10 has been remotely activated.
What the fuck is this?
Droid, execute the plan. Download the ship schematics from their computers, then come find me.
Don't touch that. That is what I would say if anyone could hear me, which they cannot.
Hello, how are you today? Stawaksak to yun na.
That's not allowed.
What's up?
Use the ventilation system to reach me.
Ooh. Okay. Kabayo na. Come P. Shut the fuck up. Ah.
You worry too much. Do I? You know who's in our cell block, right? What the?
Sorry.
Fans are acting up again.
기빠시려냈듯샤옹아.
You worry too much. Do I? You know who's in our cell block, right? Some big shot Imperial, special forces. Exactly. I don't like it. So far,
나봐.
Command wants to report on that Imperial message we intercepted.
띠띠리띠띠.
Hey, how's that decryption coming along? Command is expecting updates before Endor if possible.
Taking longer than expected. The encryption is surprisingly complex.
놈들을 숫사가.
I'll pass it along.
띠리띠띠띠띠리띠띠리띠띠리. 띠띠리띠.
There are too many rebels outside my cell. Find another way.
first we intercept the Imperial message, then we capture.
킹을 딱떠오나 마룡이십니다. 와겠다가 야가 시와가 아시.
The Special Forces trooper. Plus, they just located the new Death Star.
띠띠리띠. 미시온이 잡아요.
Lockdown. You'll need to deactivate it from one of their terminals. Contact me when it's done.
How does it look? You were right.
Ah.
This iron cannon power coupling is fried.
If you're done, regroup with me. It's time.
It's time what?
No, he's probably just focused. He prefers to work in silence.
띠리띠띠 루루디 다와들 시연을 가야지. 삐리삐삐삐삐삐삐.
I hear you through the vent. You're close. Right on time. Let's go.
Agent Hask, do you read me?
Loud and clear, Commander Versio. You're right on time.
I'm moving to the communications center.
Copy that.
Once I've located and destroyed the stolen Imperial message, I will signal for extraction. Droid, open the cell.
Hey, that's enough! You're locked up until after Endor. After that, we'll figure out what to do with you. So
오케이. Dee. 좀 쉰다 왜?
Have the rebels figured out you wanted to be caught?
Never crossed their mind.
To be fair, we're operating outside protocol. We should have just blown up their ship.
Would have raised too many questions. For this to work, we need to be subtle.
I understand, Commander.
This is Admiral Akbar, calling the Invincible Faith. By now, you are aware of the beacon directing Alliance ships to the Galan system. With this ruse, we will divert the Empire's attention away from Sullust.
The rebels still think we don't know about Sullust. They have no idea what's waiting for them at Endor.
We need to keep it that way. If the rebels decrypt that transmission before I delete it, everything will fall apart. Slice that.
Open sesame.
It's time. We're heading to Sullust to meet with the rest of the fleet.
Just got coordinates from the captain. Let's prime the hyperdrive.
Closing in!
Reload. Okay. 가빙이랑 기지미숑아.
Need a slice.
Can we check on the Imperial transmission again? We're almost out of time.
I got yelled at last time.
I'm not going back in there.
Hello, how are you today?
Agent Task, I've reached the communication center. Deleting the message will trigger their alarm. Be ready for extraction.
Understood.
나와, 나왔었니?
For the last time, please stop interrupting me.
Shut the fuck up!
I've located the encrypted intel.
This is not Wraith. We have new orders. The Imperial fleet will move to the far side of Endor. There we will wait for the rebels to attack. Then...
Purge complete. There's nothing for the rebels to learn.
Attention! An Imperial prisoner has escaped. She is extremely dangerous. Find her!
Agent Task, it's time.
Beginning preparations.
I'll secure a blaster and reach the extraction point. I'm on the move.
So is the Corvus.
Come on. Hit your bitch.
Got you now!
Me too.
I see him!
Me too. Dee. Come on, son. Okay. Bye-bye. Hit your bitch.
Enemy located in System Control. Do not let her escape.
ห้องคอนโดซะก่อนวะ이스토리만 오신다고. We company. Magda kaya ang nilak dun. Dididididing.
Slicing.
Shut the fuck up. Sangat deg. Kaya makanunamasi siya na.
Need a slice.
Sumakto mo to po. Music.
Agent Hask, I'm in position.
Understood, Commander. Prepare for extraction. 3, 2, 1.
Commander on deck.
At ease.
Mission accomplished, Commander.
0 casualties. Looks like you're still second in command.
Oh, I'm patient. I can wait.
Agent Miko, those jump calculations were perfect.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope the landing wasn't too rough.
Been through worse. Remember the Job S incursion?
Still haunts my dreams.
Contact the Admiral.
Yes, Commander. And the message?
The fleet's location is still safe. Today, the rebellion dies.
a rebel recovery team, Admiral, but we're too late to capture the saboteurs.
What's the status of the Death Star shield generator?
Worse than expected. There's no way to repair or reactivate.
Then our battle station is vulnerable. Eliminate the rebels and return to the Corvus. The Emperor's plan must not fail.
Yes, sir. Agent Hask with me. Agent Miko, cover us from here. One target, dead ahead. Follow my lead.
Understood, Commander.
Atasin ko nambasin niya yung sa arang
Tell General Solo this might take a
nambasin niya yung sa tao yung nga. Ayaw minute. Adi atasin misyon ni asak sinyak sa nakan ispilli. Ayaw minute tiyo.
while. If there's anything to recover, we'll find it, but the damage is extensive. We got a lot of wreckage to sift through.
Careful, Commander. Single target on the trail ahead.
Okay.
I've got eyes on two strike teams. One at the bunker, the other patrolling near the fallen walker.
Good spotting, Agent. We'll take it from here.
They're under us, going loud!
Sorry. Zo, sta wacht een beetje erop. Even een beetje dit zo.
One target, dead ahead. Follow my lead.
What the?
Slice this.
Snap box nou. Wie is die daar weg? Peach. Cypher pickup! Boom, boom.
That's one squad down. The bunker team won't have any backup when you make your move.
Perfect. Let's take them out.
Commander, rebel reinforcements inbound.
Weapons free. Neutralize all targets.
Yes, Commander. Understood.
Suốt dulu.
That's all of them. Regroup and prepare to move out.
Regrouping.
Those can't be all of them. Those rebel commanders must have already moved on.
We should too.
We're near platform 4.
Is there a shuttle there?
No, TIE fighters only.
Even better.
We should move carefully. We don't know how many rebels are out here.
No, we'll deal with them the same as the rest. Today we wipe out that scum once and for all.
Look alive, agents. We can grieve later. Right now, we need to move.
On you, Commander.
We need to reach Platform 4 and secure those TIE fighters. That's our only way back to the Corvus. Agent Miko, scout ahead.
Yes, Commander.
Agent Hask, contact the Eviscerator. I need to speak with the Admiral.
Yes, Commander. Patching you through now.
Admiral, Inferno Squad is evacuating Endor. What's the situation?
Vice Admiral Sloan has ordered a retreat. We're pulling out of the system. Make it to your ship, Commander. Survive. I will send you the rendezvous coordinates.
Yes, sir. We'll contact you when we reach the Corvus.
I don't understand how this happened. The trap was perfect.
Someone made a mistake. High Command overlooked something crucial again.
No, there has to be more to it.
It's simple. The Emperor underestimated the strength of our enemy, and we pay the price.
Commander, permission to speak freely.
Granted.
I know we're alone, Iden, but that sounded treasonous.
Look to the sky, Hask. It's not treason if it's the truth.
Heads up, Commander. Rebel patrol headed your way.
Thank you, Agent Miko. We'll take care of them. I have a visual on the patrol.
We should dispose of them where they stand.
We're taking this moon.
Rein it in, Agent. You don't fire until I do.
Apologies, Commander. Of
If it were
course.
that easy, the Empire would have fallen over Yavin 4. Even if it were, this moon's still crawling with Imperials. We're not out of this yet.
Fire!
Taking them down.
Patrol neutralized.
It's what they deserve.
Commander, I put eyes on a rebel ambush. We lost a shuttle and our men are overrun.
Keep scouting, Agent. We'll see what we can do.
Snappa kappuga 연기를 시리즈. Bakın. Push từ trước tới. Chỗ này cũngได้nữa. Chỗ đó là 조금 rồi. Inoni sok tak tunga di sana. Penuh posisi tunga.
The rebels have them pinned down.
We have to help our troopers. Go. Stand your ground and return fire!
Inferno Squad!
The Empire is evacuating Endor. Push back these rebels.
Understood, Commander. We're with you.
다신 것도 국가 싹시요. 난 뭐지나?
Commander, I'm hearing reports of enemy transports landing across Endor. They're deploying troops all over this moon.
We won't be here much longer.
Heavy! Commander, look.
That's all of them. Time to keep moving.
What the fuck?
We're expecting special forces.
That's the point, Sergeant.
All the same, we're in your debt, Commander.
Now what? lakas ang aroma ron. Ah! Ah.
We've already lost 2 patrols in this area. I don't want to lose any more.
Be ready, Agent Task.
If there are Imperials in this area,
Shut the fuck up!
Scanning.
Sorry? Stupid cannot. Zoom without us.
We're done here. Agent Miko, what's your position?
I've rallied a squad near the platform, waiting on you and Agent Hask before we move in.
On our way.
Onnistujuani. Tava. Mitä me otetaan mitä ottaa ja kanssa on haru. Mä mis nää pakaimun.
Agent Miko, situation report.
Commander, rebels have seized platform 4. It's gonna be a fight to take it back.
Looks like you're ready for it. Troopers, we're gonna take back that
Just a moment.
platform and evacuate this moon. And then we're gonna make the rebellion pay.
Yes, Commander. We're with you.
For the Empire!
Come on, too. Come on, too. You bitch.
Open fire!
Rebel Snarler Walker! Get down! Commander, the rebels have hijacked an ATST.
We need to take down that walker! That arm is too strong for blasters! Disable, now.
Không cho một phần vật tôi có xả lắm. Không khả năng. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Không khả năng.
Scout walker down. I repeat, the ATST is down.
Even with superior firepower, the
Ano
rebels
yun, no?
can't win.
ours. Get to the lifts. Meet me at the top to secure those ties.
Yes, Mom. Copy. Commander, contact on the platform. Enemy forces are sabotaging our ships and preventing an escape.
Take them down, and secure the TIE fighters for our escape.
Suppress and extract. I'm looking forward to it.
Push forward!
Officer ahead!
Task, take the first tie. Get the Corvus ready for retreat.
Yes, Commander.
Headshot, headshot, headshot. And
Agent Miko, that's your TIE fighter.
I'll cover you until you escape.
No, leave now. I'm first in, last out.
Taking off, Commander.
I'm right behind you.
Still with us, Commander.
Starfighter secured. See you up there, Agent. The Admiral created Inferno so something like this wouldn't happen again.
I know. Hard to believe this is all that's left.
This destruction is the true face of the rebellion. It's the reason we've been fighting so long.
We tried to make them afraid, we only made them angry.
Someone told me once that rebellions are built on hate. I never stopped believing it.
How are we supposed to fight that?
The Empire will change. Just like it did when they destroyed the first Death Star. We adapt or die.
Commander, we have a problem.
What is it, Hask?
The Corvus was damaged by the Death Star explosion. Engines are down, but the crew is making repairs.
Get the rendezvous coordinates from the Admiral.
Commander, I'm picking up quite a few ship signals outside the debris field.
Any of them Imperial?
Not many. They've either retreated or been destroyed.
Tämä kitsittiin tanneaksella. Mä koilisin näistä nopeisiin taksaksemme se sitten bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.